Sky's the limit. Here's the E minor chord. All 6 strings are being played here with a plectrum. So just 2 fingers. This is one of the simplest chords. First finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. 2nd finger just beneath that on the 4th string. Now with this chord, it's also a movable chord. You can try moving this to the 5th fret. And also the 7th fret, and make your own little tune from that. For example, if you want to be more advanced, you can do some hammer-ons like that. Sky's the limit. So start simple, do what you can, don't be worried if you can't do it. You'll get better over time, remember. Make sure your thumb's down at the back, make sure your fingers are nice and curled, that you're in the correct position, you're not too far over here, you're either in the middle or over this side of the fret. And I would say that with these fingers that are not actually playing, don't do this. Don't curl them underneath the neck. Make sure you have them out. Now it's a bit harder for you to see my fingers when they're out like that, so I'm curling them in like this so it's easier for you to see. Some alternatives to an E minor would be an E minor 7. So 2 ways to play that would be either to take off this 2nd finger. So it's just a 1-fingered chord there. And an alternative would be to add another finger, probably a 3rd one, on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. Sounds like this. Now an E minor 9 chord, which is quite nice, it looks a little bit like the A minor 9 we did in that video, is where you get your little finger, you pop that in the 4th fret on the 4th string and it sounds like this. Quite nice sound. Make sure you check out the other chord videos, and if you're not in the Guitar Practice VIP Facebook group yet, get yourself in there where we'll be learning all you need to know to advance your guitar playing.